A high-quality caulking gun can make all the difference when applying sealants, adhesives, or fillers with precision. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 caulking guns available on Amazon that offer smooth, consistent application for every kind of project. Let's start with the newborn 250 smooth rod revolving caulking gun, often praised by professionals and serious DIYers alike. This model offers an impressive 18:1 thrust ratio, making it ideal for medium viscosity materials such as silicone, latex, or acrylic. One of its standout features is the rotating frame, which allows the barrel to swivel as you work around corners or curves without disrupting the bead of caulk. The ergonomic grip makes prolonged use more comfortable, and the built-in spout cutter and seal puncture tool mean you won't need to carry separate tools for setup. Users consistently highlight how clean and consistent the bead is, even on vertical surfaces. The newborn 250 is a balanced, all-around performer that works just as well for small jobs as it does for extended renovation projects. Next up is the WORKPRO adjustable caulking gun, which stands out due to its dual thrust control. This model allows you to switch between a 9:1 and 18:1 thrust ratio, giving you better control depending on the viscosity of the material you're using. Lower ratios work well for thin sealants, while higher ratios help push thicker materials with ease. The smooth round rod provides controlled movement, while the anti-drip mechanism reduces mess and waste. Its soft grip handle adds comfort, especially during long sessions. WORKPRO also built this model with a rotating barrel, which allows the nozzle to stay aligned with your direction as you turn the gun. This is particularly useful for baseboards, bathtubs, and crown molding. For the price, it offers excellent adjustability, making it a smart pick for both beginners and pros. For tougher materials like construction adhesives or thick polyurethane sealants, the Red Devil 3989 Extreme Duty Caulking Gun is a top-tier choice. With an ultra-high thrust ratio of 26:1, it delivers maximum force with minimal hand fatigue. This makes it ideal for cold weather applications or thick formulations that other guns struggle to push. The heavy-duty steel frame is built for rugged use and features a smooth pressure rod for quieter operation. It also includes a built-in puncture tool and ladder hook, adding to its job site readiness. Even though it's heavier than some other models, it's a go-to option when performance under pressure matters most. Reviewers appreciate the dependable trigger action and how it handles thick sealants with ease, particularly in colder environments where viscosity increases. The Dripless ETS 2000 Composite Caulk Gun, often referred to as the yellow gun, lives up to its name by offering a genuinely drip-free experience. It features a 12:1 thrust ratio, making it suitable for light to medium viscosity materials. What sets this tool apart is its patented drip reduction mechanism, which automatically releases pressure from the tube when the trigger is released. This prevents unnecessary mess and allows for cleaner lines and faster work. The lightweight composite frame helps reduce fatigue, and the built-in nozzle cutter and seal puncture tool make it a compact, all-in-one solution. It also features a rotating barrel for better control around angle. This model is highly recommended for painters, finish carpenters, and DIYers who prioritize neatness and precision. Last on the list is the Metabo HPT Cordless Caulking Gun, formerly branded under Hitachi. Unlike manual models, this battery-powered caulking gun is perfect for professionals tackling high-volume jobs or overhead work where hand fatigue becomes a concern. It features variable speed control, which allows you to dial in exactly how fast the sealant is applied, preventing overflow and improving bead consistency. With the pull of a trigger, you get smooth, even distribution every time. While it is bulkier than manual guns and comes at a higher price point, it excels in efficiency and reduces wrist strain during long projects. This is a game changer for contractors working on sealing windows, siding, or panel joints throughout the day. The Metabo model is part of their multi-volt system, so if you already use other Metabo tools, the battery will be interchangeable. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more honest tool reviews and recommendations for every project, big or small.